Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Season 1, A Year with No Fear. This episode takes us to the beautiful island of Kauai, Hawaii, where a last-second zipline adventure really gave me some pretty exciting moments. Take a look.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing.
How's the monkey? Bailey and her monkey.
I'm a monkey. Oh.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to I think I'll have to be longer. Another reason to breathe.
Keep it real, folks. Woo! Hey, how's it going? What is
Never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
what do I need to do?
Nothing. Okay.
I love my life. Oh, shoot! Oh, no! You being kind of
Oh,
the
thanks.
shoulder and you gotta like have
I'm not the only one hanging on. Tell me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than this.
at the final countdown. Lean. That's the ground. Of course, here's my face. Right towards the ground. Why not? Oh gosh. Oh, you did that on purpose, didn't you? Okay. Yep. Totally did that on purpose. And here we go. I flew! That was amazing. I want to fly again.
That last one was, even when I watch it now, it's pretty crazy being able to fly. Well, I hope you enjoyed that first episode of A Year with No Fear. Make sure you subscribe, you like and you comment. Let me know what you think about it. We also have a Facebook that you can check out at Tales of a Wandering Heart, as well as an Instagram at Tales of a Wandering Heart. So make sure you check out both of those for behind the scenes footage, as well as just other fun little tidbits from all my adventures. From Joey, Tales of a Wandering Heart to you, may you be living a life with no fear. Have a great one.